Malida, also known as Maladu or Maa Ladoo, is a delicious Indian sweet made from roasted gram flour, besan, and jaggery. It is popularly prepared during festivals and special occasions. Here's a simple recipe for making Malida. Ingredients: 1 cup roasted gram flour, besan, 1 cup grated jaggery, gur, 1/4 cup ghee, clarified butter, 1/4 cup water, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 2 tablespoons chopped nuts, almonds, cashews, or pistachios, optional. Instructions: heat a pan on low to medium flame and dry roast the gram flour, besan, until it releases a nutty aroma. Stir continuously to ensure even roasting. This should take about 8–10 minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool. In a separate pan, add the grated jaggery and water. Heat it over medium flame, stirring continuously until the jaggery completely dissolves and forms a syrup. To check the consistency of the syrup, drop a little bit of the syrup into a bowl of water. It should form a soft ball. Turn off the heat at this point. Add the roasted gram flour, besan, to the jaggery syrup and mix well until all the gram flour is coated with the syrup. Now, add ghee and cardamom powder to the mixture and mix thoroughly. The ghee will add richness and flavor to the Malida. Optionally, you can also add chopped nuts like almonds, cashews, or pistachios to the mixture for added crunch and taste. Allow the mixture to cool down slightly, so it becomes easy to handle. While the mixture is still warm, take a small amount in your hands and shape it into small round balls, laddus. Roll and press gently to form tight and smooth laddus. Repeat the process until all the mixture is used up. Let the Malida laddus cool completely before storing them in an airtight container. Your delicious Malida is now ready to be served. Enjoy these sweet treats during festivals or as a delightful snack anytime.